Hello everyone. Today I want to explain direct speech and indirect speech. Okay. First, what is direct speech? Okay. When the words spoken by the speaker are reported directly, okay, or actual or real words of the speaker and the tense of the verb is the same, okay, as the speaker uses it. And one more definition, it is used when we quote the exact words. It is called a direct speech. Okay, three ways. Okay, that all definitions, same definition but little different. Okay, when the words spoken by the speaker are reported directly are called direct speech, or actual or real words of the speaker and the tense of the verb is the same as the speaker uses it, that also called direct speech. Or it is used when we quote the exact words, okay, that also direct speech. Okay, now listen one example. We are not going to the picnic, said Seema. Here real word, see, where inverted comma, okay, comma, inverted comma, everything we want. Okay, now how it changes, that all I want to explain it later. Okay, now listen again. Indirect speech means what? Okay, when the word spoken by the speaker is reported by who? Someone indirectly. Okay, reported indirect means reported by someone indirectly, that means, or words of the speaker that are reported by someone else and the tense of the verb is different that time. Okay, then one more definition, it is used when we report what the speaker has said without putting the exact words. Okay, now see, same sentence, here inverted comma. Okay, now see, we remove the commas, all that. Why? Indirect speech. Okay, now why? Spoken by the speaker is reported indirectly. So okay, now see examples there, same example, little changes. Okay, Seema said that they were not going to the picnic. Okay, here we removed inverted comma, all that. Okay, now rules, changes, whatever it is. Okay, again listen. First to listen, general rules for changing. Okay, direct speech and indirect speech, general rules for changing. Okay, first, inverted commas are used. Okay, in direct speech inverted commas are used, but indirect speech no inverted commas are used. Okay, or inverted commas are not used here. Okay, and one more, in direct speech a comma separates the actual or exact words spoken from the rest of the sentence. Okay, here comma separates the actual or exact words spoken from the rest of the sentence. Okay, here the comma is not used, where in indirect speech. Okay, and direct speech, the verb that introduce the quoted speech is called the reporting verb. Okay, the verb that introduce the quoted speech is called the reporting verb. Okay, but indirect speech, there the conjunction that is generally used to introduce the reported speech. Now again listen, personal and possessive pronouns change when the mode of narration is changed. Okay, personal and possessive pronouns change when the mode of narration is changed. Okay, now first you listen, first person means what? Second person and third person. Okay, see, first person, these all I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Okay, these all called first person. Second person, you and yours. And third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. Okay, these all first person, second person, third person together called personal pronouns. Okay, first person, second person, third person together called personal pronouns. Okay, now how they change direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, now I, in direct speech I, then it change in indirect speech he or she. Okay, in direct speech my, indirect speech is or her. Okay, in direct speech our, indirect speech it change into their. Okay, if direct speech ours, indirect speech it change into theirs. Okay, if in direct speech we, okay, then they. If direct speech your, then is or her or their. Okay, and mine is change into is or hers, and yours change into theirs. Okay, these all changes when where personal and possessive pronouns. Okay, you read the sentence in direct speech if I, then in direct speech you change it he or she. Okay, please you read these all things. Now, while changing direct speech to indirect speech, that time changes in time and space. That very important. Okay, in direct speech, if here, then it becomes there. Okay, here becomes there. This becomes that. Okay, you read the sentence properly. In direct speech, if this, then it change into that. In indirect speech, okay, these change into those. Okay, now, then, today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Okay, tomorrow changes becomes the next day or the following day. Okay, yesterday, the day before or the previous day. Okay, if direct speech, you can see in the sentence yesterday word, then in indirect speech it changed the day before or the previous day. Okay, and last night, the night before or the previous night, both right. Okay, and next week, next month, next year, that change the following week, the following month, the following year. Okay, and last week, last month, last year, it changes the week or the month, the year before or the year, the week before, the month before, the year before, the week, previous week. Okay, that right. Okay, you write like this. Okay, and ago, before, this change into that. Okay, these all direct speech to indirect speech. You make few changes. Okay, if sentence is in direct speech, okay, you search these all words. If any one of this word, then you change. Okay, you read this, you hide these all words. Okay, next, changes in the tense. Okay, direct speech to indirect speech, how tenses change. Okay, if any sentence is in simple present tense, then in indirect speech it change into simple past tense. Okay, if in direct speech sentence is in simple present tense, then indirect speech it change simple past tense. Okay, and present continuous tense change into past continuous tense, present perfect tense change into past perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, simple past tense change into simple past, sometimes it remains as it is, or sometimes past perfect tense. Okay, past continuous tense, that past perfect continuous tense. Okay, if sentence is in past continuous tense, it change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, next, past perfect tense change into past perfect, and no changes. Okay, no changes, past perfect tense, any sentence in direct speech past perfect tense, then in indirect speech also no changes, it remain in past perfect tense only. Okay, no change. If any sentence is in past perfect continuous tense, then past perfect continuous tense only it remains. Okay, no changes, NC means no changes. Okay, now auxiliary verb also, sometimes may, if direct speech may word, then might. Okay, in indirect speech you use the word might. If in direct speech can word, okay, you can say can word, then it change into could, will or shall, would or should. Okay, and must, had to or must, will or shall, would or should. Should. Okay, is that clear? These all changes in the tense. Next, if the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the future tense and denotes a belief or habitual action, then tense does not change in indirect speech. Okay, if the reporting verb is in the simple present or in the future tense and denotes a belief or habitual action, then tense does not change in indirect speech. Okay, for example, see, Raja says, I am proud of my country. Okay, Raja says that he is, okay, instead of I, here he changed. Okay, he is proud of his country. Is that clear? Okay, tense does not change in indirect speech. Okay, when if simple present or future tense, that also habitual action that time. Okay, and one more, see, Seema will say, that future tense. Okay, that Seema will say, I need some money. Okay, see, real word, actual words here, Seema's word. Seema will say, see, no changes, see, that she needs some money. Okay, now one more thing. If quoted speech denotes a universal truth or saying, okay, then no change is made in the tense. Okay, universal truth or saying, there no change. Okay, no change is made. For example, see, Mrs. Seema said to her class, water is a precious natural resource. Okay, now see, Seema's real word, water is a precious natural resource. Okay, now indirect speech there, Mrs. Seema told her class that water is a precious natural resources. See, no changes. Okay, universal truth or saying, then no change is made in the tense. Special rules for statements. Okay, put that before the reported statement. Okay, you put that. Okay, use the reporting verbs said, told, mentioned or stated. If you use the word told, put an object after it. These all rules. Okay, special rules for statements. Okay, and apply all the general rules. Already I explained general rules, that also you have to apply. Okay, now listen again. Special rules for statements, put that before the reported statements. Okay, use the reporting verbs such as said, told, mentioned or stated. If you use the word told, put an object after it. Okay, next, special rules for WH questions. Okay, for changing WH questions into reported or indirected speech. Okay, indirect speech also known as reported speech. Okay, so for changing WH questions into reported or indirect speech, omit or remove the question mark. Okay, first you have to remove the question mark. Put the subject of the question before the verb. Okay, subject of the question before the verb. Use reporting verbs such as asked, wanted to know or requested. Okay, put an object or a noun or pronoun after the reporting verbs. Okay, put an object, a noun or pronoun after the reporting verbs. Okay, and also apply all the general rules. Whatever general rules mentioned, that also you have to apply. That 10th standard 4 marks question. Okay, direct and indirect speech. Now special rules for imperative statements. Okay, put to before the reported command or request. Okay, first point, put to, okay, before the reported command or request. Okay, if the sentence is negative and begins with don't or do not, you remember, if the sentence is negative and begins with don't or do not, okay, that time you remove them, remove don't or do not, that means, and put not to before the verb. Okay, if the sentence is negative and begins with don't or do not, that time you remove them, that means remove don't and do not and put not to before the verb. Okay, and one more, use the reporting verbs asked, told, requested, urged, ordered, begged or advised. Okay, these all word you use. Okay, why? Imperative sentence. So, okay, put an object, a noun or pronoun after the reporting verb. Okay, these all important rules. You have to read these all rules. Okay, next one, special rules for exclamatory statement. Okay, first change the sentence in direct speech into an assertive or declarative sentence. Okay, make the direct speech sentence into assertive or declarative sentence first. Okay, after that put that before change the statement. Okay, you put that before change the statement. Clear? Put that before changed statement. Okay, use reporting verbs such as exclaimed, cried out, wished, prayed in place of said. Okay, in place of said you use verbs, reporting verbs such as exclaimed, cried out, wished, prayed, okay, in place of said. And replace the words such as oh, alas, bro, hurrah, okay. You remove these all words and instead of these words, you add in surprise, with sorrow or with delight, okay. You remove oh, alas, bro, hurrah word and you add in surprise, with sorrow or with delight. Now listen one thing, optative sentences, okay. Optative sentences which express a prayer, a wish, a curse are called optative sentences, okay. Any sentences which express a prayer, a wish, a curse are called optative sentences. Okay, when the direct speech is an optative sentence, the reporting verb said is changed into prayed, wished, desired, cursed, etc. Okay, when the direct speech is an optative sentence, okay, the reporting verb said is changed into prayed, wished, desired, cursed, etc. Okay, now see few example, direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, see the dying man said to his cruel master, may you not see another sunrise. Okay, now listen, in indirect speech, the dying man cursed his cruel master that he might not see another sunrise. Okay, here may changed into might. Okay, and see that direct speech is saying no, the dying man said to his cruel master, may you not see another sunrise. Now here he cursed, that means, okay. Next one more, the doctor said avoid fried foods at least for a month. Okay, now here indirect speech, see the doctor advised the patient to avoid fried food for a month. Okay, next one more, I said to her, did you meet my sister yesterday? Okay, now indirect speech, I asked her if she had met my sister the previous day. See, yesterday change into previous day and met. Okay, thank you.